Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Prachi and today I'm going to unbox a diamond painting from Diamond Art Club. So this one is So Many Books, So Little Time by Randall Spangler. I hope you guys can see the image. So this is a huge diamond painting. So how is everyone doing? I hope you all are doing good. I would like to tell you guys that I'm going to participate in one of the events, that is Draglings and Books, and this is organized by SNJ Creations. They have a YouTube channel and the Facebook group for Draglings and Books. I can put up the links for the YouTube channel as well as the Facebook group for this event in the description box below. So if you guys are interested, you can go ahead and take a look at it. And for this, to participate in this event, you have to participate with one Randall Spangler canvas. And this event is going to be in the month of July. So it starts from 1st of July till the end of the July. So it's in for the entire month of July. So I'm going to participate with this canvas. Let's unbox this Diamond Art Club kit. So let's see what we have on the box first. So the blue ribbon and the blue square indicates that this is a square drill diamond painting. So if you're familiar with Diamond Art Club's paintings, usually a pink ribbon and a pink circle means a round drill diamond painting, and a blue ribbon and a blue square means a square drill diamond painting. And behind the box you have some instructions on how you have to diamond paint and what all you have in the box. So this is pretty much on the box. So let's get inside the box. Okay, that's it. So I think the bigger sticker might be in the kit inside. So first let's take a look at this. So this is a small sticker. It says So Many Books, So Little Time by Randall Spangler, and the size is 22 by 43 inches or 56 centimeters by 109 centimeters, and the diamond shape is square. So this is a small sticker where you can put this on your logbook, or you can stash your kits by putting it on the box. And this is a square drill toolkit. So in a square drill toolkit you usually get a tweezer. So you get a pen, tweezers, two heart-shaped pink wax, some bags for storing your drills, a squishy which you can put it on the pen for a nice grip, like this, a multi-placer. So this is a 4-placer, and a clear tray. So let's open the canvas now. So this is a legend, and this comes in a form of a sticker paper. It says So Many Books, So Little Time by Randall Spangler. You have a start date and an end date where you can feed in once you start this diamond painting, you can feed in your start date, and once you are done you can put your end date, and you can put this on your logbooks or wherever you like it to. And this is a square drill diamond painting, and the size is 56 centimeters by 109 centimeters, and these are the drills. colors. There are 53 colors, and with it has 2 AB diamonds. So I'll tell you what AB means in some time when we take a look at the drills. So all these colors come in a form of a separate stickers where you need to peel it and put it on your storage containers. So it makes your job easy when you are kitting up your diamond paintings. And this is a step-by-step instructions booklet where you have all the information on how to diamond paint, and also there is a discount code for your next purchases. These are the drills, so we'll take a look at them in some time. I'll keep it aside for now. So let me just roll this canvas in another way and get it flattened. So usually diamond art clubs have all their kits in a poured glue canvas, which is much easier to handle than the double-sided adhesive canvases. When you have this clear plastic, it's a poured glue, and if you have an opaque cover for the diamond paintings, it is usually double-sided canvas, and it's not so easy to handle. So since this is a huge canvas, it would be probably difficult for me to show the entire canvas on one screen, but I can slide you guys through this. So first let's take a look on what we have on the canvas. So here is the branding for Diamond Art Club with their tagline, "Do what makes you sparkle," and you have this schematics on the top left corner as well as on the bottom right corner here, and the bottom of the canvas you have this is the image which shows the pasting area. So this is a full drill diamond painting, and the name of the canvas, it says "So many books, so little time," and the size 56 centimeters by 109 centimeters. And this is a canvas by Randall Spangler. So Diamond Art Clubs usually sells all licensed artworks, so this artwork is by Randall Spangler. And these are some social media links for Diamond Art Club. You can use them to follow them on Facebook and Instagram. And this is a lifetime warranty stuff where you can Diamond Art Club gives full warranty on the canvas as well as on the drills. What if there is anything wrong with your canvas or your drills, Diamond Art Club might replace it for you guys. So Randall Spangler image canvases usually have these drag lanes. They are so cute. So the moment I saw this canvas, I wanted to buy this because I wanted this for my library room. So this will definitely go into my library room. So you have this nice green cute drag lane which is holding a book, and it's on the it is sitting on a pile of books. And this is a pocket watch hanging on the books. So I hope you guys can see. I'll just slide you through this. This is the pile of books. So you have a nice bookmark that is hanging from a book. And here is another dragling. This is a nice cute dragon, and I can see a cat that is peeking through the books. There are some cookies which this Draglin is having. So this is the canvas. Now let's take a look at the drills. So this is 976, 642, 642, 642, 642. So there are 4 bags of 642. 3782, 3782, 3782, 3 bags of 3782, 798. So when I'm sliding through, I'm also checking with the diamonds qualities, quality for the diamonds. They all look quite good for now. 3371, 904, 317, 3826, 895, 895, 2 bags of 895, 400, 400, 905, 814, 814, 2 bags of 814, 321, 334, 600, 900, 413, 550, 414, 498, 498, 2 bags of 498, 938, 644, 300, 327, 890, 890, 2 bags of 890, 677, 728, 797, 797, 2 bags of 797, 783. Three 837, 3787, 823, 3033, 815, 134. So these are the AB diamonds. So AB stands for Aurora Borealis diamonds, which means they have a certain iridescent coating on them which makes them more sparkly. So you guys can see there is a rainbowy effect on them as compared to the non-AB diamonds. So you can compare this side by side. So these have some nice sparkles on them, whereas this is a normal diamond. And this is 134. So in Diamond Art Club kits, usually the code that is less than 150 are all AB diamonds. So this is 134, 820, 939, 3799, 374, 935, 208, 973, 937, 907, 141. So this is the second AB diamond. So you can see the AB diamonds. This is a white. They have a nice rainbow effect. We'll take a look in some time where the AB diamonds go on the canvas. I'll show it to you guys. This is 351, 165, 3608, 602, 898. 640, 2 bags of 640, 796, 2 bags of 796, 310, 3 bags of 310, and 301. So these are all the drills. So now let's take a look at where the AB drills go on the canvas. So the AB drills are usually the first and the second ones. So the first AB is having the symbol name as 1. So let's see where you can find 1 on the canvas. So I can find it on the Draglin's body. here, so nice, so that it will nicely sparkle. And let's see again, where do you find that? So you have one again here on one green color book. Again on this book here, and in the cat's eye, and here you have one here again on this dragon. And on this book here, and on this ball or whatever this is, you have one here. Now the second AB drill is the symbol for second one is 2. Well, let's see where 2 comes in on the canvas. Not here. So you have it on the cat here. The second AB comes on the cat, on the dragon's eye here. And just the 2 on this pocket watch, and somewhere on this books, on this as well. On this chain of the pocket watch, you see a few AB diamonds, and most of it is on the stars. So all these stars are AB diamonds, white AB diamonds, and some on this borderline of this book, and on this dragon. So pretty much these are the places where the AB diamonds go. Now let's take a look at the drill area. The drill area looks quite nice and clean. Let me just show you the close-up here. I hope you guys can see. The drill area is nice and clear. I can show you the dragon here. See the drill area, it's nice and clear. So let me just try and measure this for you guys. Usually Diamond Art Club's kits are true to size, but just to make sure, let me just measure it. So here this is 56 centimeters, and this one, okay, this is going to be a bit tough for me to measure, but I will try. Yeah, so this is 109 centimeters, so it's true to size, 56 centimeters by 109 centimeters. So don't you think this diamond painting is so cute? And I'm pretty much excited to work on this and participate in that event, because that event is going to be my first ever diamond painting event, and I'm pretty much excited for it. So just to summarize, we got this canvas in the kit, the drills, a small sticker, square drill toolkit, instruction booklet, and a large legend in the form of stickers. That's it for today. If you have any questions, concerns, put them down in the comment section below and I will get back as soon as possible. Also, if you have enjoyed watching this video, please consider giving a thumbs up, and if you are not already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for joining. See you soon. Bye bye.